One of the fun things with being an adult is you get to figure out and fix your own cars sometimes. And my latest fun and excitement is we need new liftgate cylinders for our Blazer. And this time I didn't forget to cover the license plate, so I don't have to play with this stupid blur tool. Or actually I did. This is the second video, but that's fine. It's covered now. So this is a large mass of metal, and normally the lift cylinders help lift it up. When they are bad, that's really heavy, and it also wants to slam really hard, which is not nearly as fun to use, so it's time to replace the cylinders. Well, this is what the old ones look like. Rusted. Well, that happens after 20 plus years. The little clip that you're supposed to screwdriver and flip down. This side's easy. That side up in there is not going to be quite as easy, especially, yeah, that's going to be a challenge. I was at least smart and put a 2x4, so as long as that doesn't slip and break the glass, it'll be good. So, yeah, we'll see if that's... You can see this one's all goo covered where the stuff's leaking for there. So, let's see what happens. Well, there's one down. That was not fun, but one down. Alright, well that actually worked. It was a pain because I couldn't use the 2x4. I had to just use my head to hold it up while I was using both hands, but that's alright. But it has not done this in forever. You open, and it opens on its own. It hasn't done that for years. Like a lot of years. So yeah, I got the clips in. It's on there. And it holds. And it closes. And it opens. Wow, it hasn't done that for so long. I always had to lift it for a long time. So, yay, that worked. Alright. Yeah, you can see there's rust and stuff. I tried to clean off the little ball. The new ones have some grease in, so that should help prevent that for a little while. And for some reason, one of the old ones was pink, one of them was green. I don't know that there's a difference really. But yeah, it's definitely old. So I'll link a video on where somebody explains much better than me on how to do this in the description. But basically these little clips just pop up, and then once they're out of the way, you can get the ball and socket to, or I should say the ball portion of the socket to fit right in. Then the clips, when they're clipped, work around there and it doesn't come out. So yeah, these are old and ready to be thrown out, and the new ones actually work great. So yay, another successful project.